AI Training Briefs brought to you by Smart Hose Technologies. Today's topic is pull-away force and its relationship to the pull angle. Smart hose breakaway safety systems are designed to minimize the potentially devastating consequences associated with an unintentional pull-away incident. In the event of a pull-away incident, the Smart Hose breakaway safety system is designed to fail-safe at a predetermined pull force. As with all breakaway technology, the amount of pull force that it takes to separate the Smart Hose breakaway safety system is directly related to the angle of the pull-away. In the case of a pull-away event, the pull force can be greatly reduced if the hose port is configured at a 45 or 90-degree angle to the direction of pull. Here we show a pull force demonstration conducted at the Smart Hose Technologies engineering facility. Horizontal pull angle measured approximately 8,900 pounds of force. "45-degree pull angle measured approximately 1,300 pounds of force. "90-degree pull angle measured approximately 900 pounds of force. Therefore, Smart Hose Technologies does not recommend horizontal ports due to high pull-away forces, safety concerns for accidental releases, and concentrated stress on the hose assembly. Independent testing on pull forces versus angle of pull conducted at the Smart Hose Technologies engineering facility yielded repeatable results. However, actual results may vary from facility to facility. Contact Smart Hose Technologies for passive integrated safety hose assemblies, breakaway hose assemblies, and breakaway adapter products. We specialize in hazardous transfer applications and offer fully customizable solutions to fit your needs.